Hello, Cancers. Welcome to my channel. We want to see how your person is feeling about you at this moment, okay? And we're also going to pull some tarot cards and some homemade messages, okay? So let's see. Let's see how Cancer's person is feeling about them at this moment. Take your time. Okay. Hollow bone. And it's crazy I said take your time when this came out. Take your time. I feel like, hold on, let me get the message, y'all. Either you're teaching this person something or they're teaching you something, and it's like someone is very patient, okay? Someone is very understanding. I feel like you're teaching this person, yeah. You're teaching this person how to level up, how to want more, to desire more, to step into. It's like, I feel like because your energy is so high, right? And it's like you're pulling this person up with you, okay? And so I feel like your person feels that you're very patient with them. Yeah, it's like you're teaching this person how to change out of their old ways. Okay. Had to get that together. Had to say that message right there and there because it came in so abruptly. Okay, guys. Yeah, see? This own self. So, root girl. Yeah, it's like you loving on them, okay? You loving on them. Because I feel as though that you see this person for who they are. Okay, this person, oh Lord. So many cards popped out. Why so many? Hold on. Let me see. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna take these. No, I'm not gonna take these. I'm not gonna take these. But I feel like this person has been through a lot, okay? And so you're focused on their pain. You're focused on helping you heal, but also move forward, not stay stagnant. Not hold on to that pain, okay? Helping them let go and continue their journey. This is definitely an emperor that we're dealing with. And you're someone, I feel like like I said, you have you have a lot of self-worth. You just carry, it's like this energy that you bring is so attractive. Okay, so magnetic. Um, yeah, you're inspiring this person to change. Let me get one more because I don't want to take all of those. The obstacles. Yep. See, here's the obstacles here. Um, Yes. Yes, it's like because it's like you're showing them that there's more, okay? You're showing them to think outside of the box. You're showing them to step into the unknown, okay? This person, yeah, this person has held on to a lot of stuff. Yeah, this person has a lot of pain inside of their heart, okay? And it's like you're helping them dissolve that. You're helping them let go of that. You're showing them that their experiences has caused them to put up this illusion, but it's not what they really think. Okay? Yeah, that's what I'm getting. So you're actually helping this person heal. That's deep. That's deep. We have 6 angel number, okay? Definitely might want to go look that up. I be knowing some of them, not all of them. And so it may be a challenge. Some days like you have good days, you have bad days with this person because they've been through so much. I don't know, and you see how I'm reading it. How I'm reading this reading is supposed to be how they feel about you, but it's more so bringing their side of the story and how you're there for them, how you're penetrating their heart, their mind, their soul. Let's see. How does Cancer person feel about them? Ooh, see, this person can say a lot. This person can say a lot about you. Right? I feel like this person, 7 of Swords, King of Cups, ooh, 7 of Pentacles, 7, 7. 7, 7, it's definitely abundance, okay? Wheel of Fortune. Alright, let's get one more. Ace of Wands. Yeah, I feel as though they know. Alright, it's coming, it's coming. It's like you think outside of the box with this person. It's like you know how to handle this person. It's like because it's like you have snuck inside of this person. Like I said, this is not an easy person to really get to. Okay. Excuse me. So I think that you're very skilled. That you definitely know what you're doing. it's like you really snuck up on this person, like, and they see that you are definitely invested in this connection, that your heart has good intentions, okay? That you care about this person. They see that, okay? That it's like you're trying to manifest. They know that you're trying to manifest them into like a higher version of, or a better person in this connection, okay? And you're changing them. Yeah, you're changing them, because look, it's ending with the Ace of Wands. Things are changing. They see that things are changing, and it's like this passion. It's at the peak though, right? It's this passion that's peaking out. This enthusiasm that's peaking out. This growth inside of them. Okay, that they didn't see before, that's available for you, towards you, and inside of them. Right, because like I said, this person has been hurt over and over and over again. And so it's like they're focusing on their pain, and by opening up, it's allowing their hearts to open up to you. Ooh. We have the Empress. Yeah. Oh, see, and that's because you are the Empress, right? She has everything. She knows what she wants. She knows what she desires, and she knows how to move. It's like she knows how to plant seeds, right? Manifestation, right? And she knows how to work with what she has to make abundance out of it all. So this person, they see that, okay? They see how you move. They see. Yeah, they see how you move, right? They see how you move. The actions you take, okay? How you talk to them, how you nurture them. You might really uplift this person, okay? Clarify the King of Cups. Yeah. The Chariot. Yeah. Definitely. They know how you coming about them. Excuse me. They know how you coming about them, because I also feel like, oh goodness gracious, y'all. Hold on one second. My feet was itching. But they know, and we have 7-7. So we have 6-6-7-7. That's it. Yeah, it's like I feel like also you just really upped up this person. You made them feel good inside. And I feel like it's like you're a friend first before anything, right? So it's like you're fun to be around. Like it's not so serious with you, right? Because there's that understanding from the Empress, but also it's like loving, caring, and then that fun, creative side, that inner child side that you bring to this person. It's like you make this person feel like a child again. Okay, this person probably didn't get to is their childhood couldn't have been as good or great, or they didn't get to experience a good childhood or experience being a child. Is what I want to say. Excuse me. Oh, shoot. I don't know what it is. Three of Cups. See, and now did I just say that? The Friends card. It's like this person knows that you're invested, and knows that you want something serious with them, but you're also afraid at the same time. Okay, they know that. It's like they know that you want them to be whole. You want success with them. You want them to win. Bottom line. Look, see, ooh, Ace of Cups. This person is changing. You are changing this person. I don't say that for everybody because people are like, oh, I can change him or I can change her. I can do this and I can do that. That's not the case for everybody because, for one, that person has to want to change. Okay? And I feel like this person is working with you. They're willing to. And so, when you have a person that is willing to do the work, baby, you got a masterpiece. Look, like I told you that this person is letting go of the past and letting something new come in. And it's like I feel like this person hasn't felt love in a long time. Excuse me. Haven't felt love in a long time, and it actually really feels good. Okay, it feels good. And so it's like this person, it's like you're building them up. It's like this confidence and this strength to overcome those losses and those painful times in their life. And this person is seeing that they can actually be happy, that they can actually enjoy life regardless of what they've been through, because it's a journey. Woo! Ooh. I'm sorry, y'all. Ace of Wands. I got a little hype right there. Ace of Wands. Oh, my God. Bam. 10 of Pentacles. With the Ace of Wands, baby. What? Yeah. When you can turn a hurt man, okay, listen to me, or a hurt woman, when you can really sow your seeds in this person, like I said, especially if you got someone that's willing to do the work, and you change this person into a better person, you got some people that'll be like, oh, all you're gonna do is go leave for somebody else. No, that's when you're dealing with a fool, okay? But when you got a good person and the love is genuine on both sides, baby, masterpiece. This person, let me tell you something right now. This person, I think they want to marry you. I'm just put it out there. I think they want to marry you. Like, and if not marry, just something long term, like something solid that's built, that nobody can break down. You know, that's not broken easily. Something. Oh, Spirit said no. Hold on. Who is the Spirit? No, Spirit said marry. This is marrying, right? This is marrying. This is marriage, yeah. Yeah, because you taught this person wow. You're teaching this, but you were patient with this person. That's the main thing here. You were patient with this person as they healed or are healing. Okay? And they see that. Alright? And I don't feel like this person shows this side to everybody. No. I don't feel like that at all. Alright. For some reason I don't know why, I wanted to clarify the cards. The 7 of Swords with the 3 of Pentacles. I mean the Empress. I don't know why I wanted to, but it told me to, so. Told you, it's the way you talk. Alright? It's the way you talk. You've been putting in work on this person, baby. Trying to help them. They see that. They see everything that you've done, okay? It is not going unnoticed. They see that. The King of Cups and the Chip. Excuse me. And at first, they could have been hesitant, you know. Like, I don't know what are your real intentions, you know what I'm saying? I've been banged up, I've been hurt. Hold on, y'all. They could have been hesitant. Let's just keep it at that. But not only that, it's just like they see you. This person is already banged up, right? And it's like you brought your extra love to add to them. Okay? And it's like, dang, you want me? You love me? You picked me out of the litter? You know what I come with? Seven of Pentacles, Three of Cups. Yep. It's coming down. This level is coming down. It's crashing. It's changing. This person has worked on their shadow self. Hold on. I just got, this person is obsessed with building a life with you. Okay, that's what I just got. Spirit said, hold up. This person is obsessed with building a life with you. And it's like, also, if this person has did anything in the past that just wasn't right, never mind. Spirit said no, don't get into that. Never mind. Not for you. Let's get this Wheel of Fortune and Ace of Cups. High Priestess. Ooh. The High Priestess. You could have knew this was going to happen, okay? You were just waiting. It was a matter of time. You knew, it's like you knew your power of your love. And you knew this person, this was going to change this person. They just needed to do love the right way. Ace of Wands and Ten of Pentacles. King of Wands. There he is, looking at you. Looking at you. Yep. Ooh. And look what we have at the bottom. We have the Ace of Wands with the Knight of Cups. This person's going to marry you. They're going to propose to you. They're going to ask you to marry them. or they're going to confess their emotions. They're definitely going to. This is an offer. All right. I feel like this is yeah. Will you be mine? Okay, because some of y'all could just be friends with this person. Right? Could just be friends and they want to take it to the next level. Yep, because you have healed this person. You have helped them heal. You have done nothing but give to them and make sure that they stand on business when it comes to them. Yep, this person is no longer thinking about the hurt that they went through. I want to pull, I don't know, I don't think Spirit want me to pull any messages from your person because it's all right here. That's why Spirit got me to clarify even more, because what else is there to say? This person admires you. Like, big shout outs to you because you did that. Alright, so that is all that I have for you, Cancers. If you like this reading, please like, share, subscribe to the channel. Until next time, peace.